A 6-month investigation of the torture of Michael Jenkins and Eddie Parker has led 6 ex-law enforcement officers to plead guilty on civil rights violations and obstruction of justice.
Abusive law enforcement officers will not be tolerated in any of our communities, and we will pursue justice and accountability whenever and wherever police misconduct rears its ugly head.
Former law enforcement officers Brett Morris McAlpin, Jeffrey Middleton, Christian Dedman, Hunter Elward, Daniel Updike, and Joshua Hartfield from the Rankin County Sheriff's Office and an ex-Richland police officer pled guilty Thursday morning in the torture and beating of Eddie Parker and Michael Jenkins, who was shot in the mouth. All 6 are charged with aggravated assault, home invasion, obstruction of justice, hindering prosecution in the first degree, and conspiracy to commit obstruction of justice, hinder prosecution. Federal officials said the former lawmen who called themselves the Goon Squad not only brutalized the 2 men, but they also tried to cover it up by planting evidence and lying to investigators about what happened.
They appear to be 6 of the dumbest cops in the history of Mississippi. This was a criminal plan orchestrated that the bottom fell out of it. These guys couldn't put a criminal act together if they tried to, and it's probably based on their education.
According to court documents, the former law enforcement officers used stun guns on the 2 men, waterboarded them before shooting Jenkins in the mouth and leaving him on the floor to bleed with no medical treatment. Rankin County Sheriff Brian Bailey says the officers lied to him, and he is disgusted in disbelief of their behavior.
I'm sick to my stomach. I work, and I have 115 other deputies that do a good job. I've tried to build a reputation here, tried to have a safe county, and they have robbed me of all of this. By the actions of these few. This is a perfect example of why people don't trust the police. And never in my life did I think it would happen at this department.
Bailey continued to say that he will not resign, and he apologizes to the victims and their families.
I apologize to the victims, to the citizens of this county, and I promise you I'm going to do my best to fix it.
Bailey also says he plans to bring in an FBI firm to help review proper training along with other revisions. The sentencing for those men will be held in November. For now, I'm live in Jackson. Kennedy Cooper, 16, WABT News.